The power windows function when the power switch is placed in the on position and for a short time after the vehicle is turned off. The power is immediately canceled if the driver's or passenger's door is open after the power switch is placed in the off position. These switches located on the driver's door panel allow the driver to open or close all windows. To open an automatic window, push the switch down completely and release for the window to fully open. Pull the switch up to the highest position and release, and the window will close automatically. To stop the opening or closing of a window at any point, push or pull the switch in the opposite direction. Press the window lock button to disable the power window switches on the front passenger and rear doors. To return power to these switches, press the window lock button a second time. If the power window automatic closing function does not operate properly, see the owner's manual to initialize the power window system. If it still doesn't operate normally, it is recommended you visit a Nissan EV certified dealer for service. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.